My name is Ashwin Ram. I'm a Technical Director of AI in the CTO office at Google Cloud. And we've put this day together for you with one of our leading machine learning practitioners and scientists, Cassie. Cassie has a really interesting background. She has 4 degrees. She has degrees in psychology, economics, mathematical statistics, and cognitive neuroscience. And what she does is look at data using the lenses of statistics and machine learning to bring it together to help people and companies make decisions. Her role is a chief decision scientist at Google Cloud. It just changed from chief data scientist with the office of CTO. So my pleasure to introduce Cassie, and she'll take it from here.
Thanks so much for that introduction. So hello and welcome. My name is Cassie Kozyrkov. I serve as the Chief Decision Scientist for Google Cloud, and it is my pleasure to welcome you today to the wonderful world of machine learning. Now, this course is one of Google's most popular courses, and it is accessible to all of our job roles. So it is specifically designed to be entirely beginner-friendly. So even if you don't know what a computer is, hopefully you should still be fine in this course. Never seen an equation before? Fine as well. So we aim for the big ideas, the flavors of things, because I believe that technical nitty-gritty, those equations and those code things, I really like to do those things, but I don't like it when those things are done to me. So in a class setting, it's excruciatingly boring, at least I think so, to watch somebody copy out a textbook on the board when you know you can go do that yourself with a cup of coffee. That's much more fun. So I'm aiming to give you all the other stuff so that those textbooks, equations, and code snippets make more sense when you are playing with them yourself later. And the focus here is on application, on process, and on big ideas. So let's dive in, shall we? And see what it looks like when a learning system is learning. So this is an AI system learning to play an Atari slider game, Breakout. And when it begins, it is playing, if you will believe it, worse even than I play. I give it a little while longer, and it's a flawless expert. It's getting some pretty steep angles there. And then, see what we want it to do. We give it controls of a joystick, essentially, and its sensory input is this environment. We don't tell it anything about the rules of the game. Tell it just to figure it out, but figure what out? Figure out how to get the most score velocity. In other words, how to get that score to go up as quickly as possible. And so after it trains some more, this little bundle of math and joy is going to figure out strategy. If you wanted to get that score to go up as quickly as possible, what would you do? How do you play? It tunnels up the left side, and look at that score go up. How many of you do this? Yeah, seriously? Okay, wow. All right, I'm impressed. We've got an expert audience in the room. When I gave this presentation in the Tokyo office, it was like almost all the hands. What am I dealing with here? Anyway, now this looks all exciting, it looks magical, and there's all these marvelous buzzwords in this space. Neural networks, AI, machine learning. You're all excited. So, let me take you down a notch. What is machine learning?